Hello everyone. In this question, it is given n equal to 12 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. Then we have to find even factors of this n. Okay. And there are four options given. You have to say which option will be the right answer for this question. You can try this to solve yourself, otherwise watch solution. We can write this n as that is 12 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. Okay. This 12 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 and whole 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 2. That is, we can write 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 2. So we can say that total total number of factors of n will be what? 6 plus 1 and 7 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. That is, we can write 7 into 8 into 3. This will be equal to what actually? 168. Okay, this will be equal to 168. So total number of factors of this n is 168, and out of this 168 there will be even factors and odd factors also. But how many odd factors of this n? Here we can conclude that odd factors will be only combination of 3 and 5, because odd number is here 3 and 5 only. So multiple of 3 and 5 combinations, that is, we can write here odd factors of n equal to, that is, we can write 7 plus 1, here 1, and 2 plus 1. Why I am writing 7 plus 1? Because total factor of 3 will be 7 plus 1, and I am writing 2 plus 1 because it is the factor of total factor of 5. Okay, then this will be 8 into 3, that is 24. So odd factors of this n will be what? 24. So we have to find actually even factors. So we can write here even factors of n equal to total factors minus this 24, which is equal to 144. So 144 will be the required answer for this question. So option number C will be the right answer. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel. Okay.